In this video, let's start with a new topic which is called as Rolle's theorem. Basically, there are two mean value theorems. The first one that we are going to take up is Rolle's theorem. The second would be Lagrange's mean value theorem that we will be taking up later. So basically, this video focuses on the overview of Rolle's theorem. Let's see what is Rolle's theorem all about. It says that let f be a real valued function. So you have f as a function and that f is defined in the closed interval ab such that three conditions are satisfied. The first, it is continuous over the closed interval ab, it is differentiable in the open interval ab, and f of a is equal to f of b. What I mean to say is, we have been given f as a real valued function and that function is defined in some closed interval, say ab. Also, it has been given that the a and b are such that the function is continuous over the closed interval, it is differentiable over the open interval, and whatever value of the function is at a, the function attains the same value at b. Then I say that my Rolle's theorem can be applied, and according to the Rolle's theorem, there would exist C in this interval only, in the interval of AB only, and it would be such that my f dash C would be equal to 0. That means if I have a function fx and that function fx is defined over AB and all the three conditions enlisted above are satisfied, then there would be C which belongs to AB, C which belongs to AB, and it would be such that the value when it is put, and we have been taking up the differentiation such that f dash C, the value is equal to 0. This is only a brief idea about the Rolle's theorem, the three conditions. I request you to please learn them. But actually, what is Rolle's theorem? Geometrically, algebraically, what is Rolle's theorem? That we will see in the successive videos. In this video, we focused only on the three basic conditions which are given to us, and you have to learn them, the conditions you have to memorize in order to solve the questions. But actually, what is the geometrical interpretation, or what do you mean by Rolle's theorem in algebraic manner, we will be seeing in the successive videos.